I'm catching lucky, right? I'm catching lucky. So yesterday I heard someone say, they're catching lucky. And I thought it was such a great saying and a better vibration and a fabulous frequency, right? To be emitting out into the world, right? I'm catching lucky. What a great frequency. And whenever that happens, you know me, I'm going to turn that into a practice, right? So I decided a little more research was needed. And I've learned that there's a whole science to increasing your good luck, right? There's a whole science around increasing your good luck. How great is that, right? And it starts with expecting to be lucky. Expecting to be lucky. And so that's what today's practice is all about. Say the words with me. I'm catching lucky. I'm catching lucky. Say it with me right now. And as you do, I want you to practice the feeling of knowing you're catching lucky. You're catching lucky. Knowing that good luck is always coming your way. Of expecting to be lucky. See, when you start sending out that vibration into the universe, you know as certain as I do that the good luck, your good luck, is going to start expanding. Look, even if right now you're getting the short end of the stick, you know, if the only luck you've had lately is bad luck, if you feel like the universe is like kicking your butt in, right? Practice pretending that you're a lucky person, right? Pretend. That's why I call these practices, because it takes practice to change your vibration. Yeah, it takes practice to change your vibration. But if it's a vibration, if it's a feeling, you can practice it. That's one thing we've certainly learned. If it's a vibration, you can practice it. And being lucky, catching lucky, expecting good luck to come your way, and being a lucky person is most definitely a vibration. So practice it with me right now, right? How? How do you practice it? Say the words with me. I'm catching lucky. Say them with me right now. I'm catching lucky. I'm catching lucky. And as you say it, practice seeing yourself lucky. Practice feeling yourself lucky. Practice believing yourself lucky, right? And as you do that, I want you to notice your vibration. Is it different than the vibration you started with when you started this practice? If it's not, keep practicing. If it is, recognize that new higher energy and practice emitting that new higher energy out into the world, right? Way to go! You've just changed your vibration and your reality to that of a person who catches good luck. Great job. Have a great day. See you back here for practice tomorrow. Enjoy.